Right, so here we are, and I want to give you some idea of what happens when an intruder breaks in this particular case, in through the front door. So at the moment we're at Smart Home Monitor, everything is okay, and we're arm away. I open the door, and immediately the sensor shows in the app, we've got a front door intrusion detection, we have alarms going off, we have notifications sent out to our phones, so there's a lot going on. So on my left here is an Android phone, which is my wife's phone, Olive, and on the right here is the notification from on my iPhone. So all that happens simultaneously, and this is another view, so this is another screen on the, and again you can see what happens when the door opens. So once the app is open, that's exactly what happens. So let's go back into the app again. As you can see, the intrusion is being detected, and what we want to do is we're going to have a look at the event itself, or the alert itself, and as you can see right in the middle we have a recording, and we also have further details about where the intrusion took place. So it was the front door, it was a kitchen camera, it started to record, and there was a siren triggered, and the motion sensor is also detected. It detected motion, so there's been a lot going on. Front door opened. We can dismiss this alert if we so wish. We also have the option to mute the sirens. If we flick over to the next screen, we can see a kind of a log really of what is going on. And recently then we can see that there's 2 intrusion detections. So I've been doing some testing, just testing the intrusions. So if we so wish, we can dismiss, and we get prompted, do we want to dismiss, yes or no? So when we select yes, then it reverts back to the home portal and the home screen. So we go back to disarm, and we are now back in a normal state, and everything is okay again.